it's great to be here in Islington today at the Open Banking Expo. It's a really great event. I always enjoy this one, as much as anything else, because just having so many colleagues here across the industry that'll help kind of move our respective businesses forward, just because the right people are here, and that helps. And it also helps kind of when there's regulatory consultations going on, for example, as there are, just to understand different people's perspectives on that. So you learn something every day at these sorts of events. From a Mastercard perspective, we're excited about the payments use cases, but we're just as excited about the data use cases. And actually we think that globally, probably the biggest single contribution of value, if you like, from open banking, open finance, is changing the lending industry, making it easier for borrowers to apply for loans, making it easier actually for lenders to make lending decisions. Faster processes, richer data, quicker, simpler for all. Once upon a time, Europe and the UK's regulations, and this is only 4 or 5 years ago, were world leading, and lots of other countries were really learning from what's going on here. But if you look in places like Australia and places like Brazil, their domestic regulations have already gone beyond what we've been doing here in Europe, and whether that is through the Australian consumer data right, extending the same logic into other parts of the financial sector, but also beyond that into areas like, we just talked about utilities, areas like utility industries and the mobile phone sector and so on. Frankly, it's too early to tell what real value is going to get created from that, but it shows that this trend to openness is, I think, both inevitable and appropriate. We'll see what value gets created, because we're still very early stages in terms of real services and real usage. But it's going to be a big driver of innovation.